Alkene. What is an alkene? An alkene excuse me, is an organic compound containing a carbon-carbon double bond. These double bonds can be either found at the end of a carbon chain or in the middle of a carbon chain. So, for example, if we had an example that looked like this, so a much simpler way we can write that is writing it like this. So, simple is writing it as CH2 double bond CH bracket C. A simple way of writing this is writing it as CH2 double bond CH bracket, not bracket, dash CH3. So how we get this is this CH2 comes right there. The double bonds we see that we wrote right there is right there. So we bring that in. And then this CH comes from this CH right here connecting to each other. And then last but not least, the CH3 is on its own and it's right there. Another example would be that looks like this, and we wanted to write a simple way, so simple way of writing this would be writing it as CH3 CH double bond CH3 excuse me. And so how we break this down to find it is this CH, this is right there, this CH is right there, the double bonds come from the middle, so right there, this CH is just written like that, and then last but not least, our CH3 right here is written right there. So some rules, or basic rules we want to know about alkene are, since there's a double bond present, change the ane part of the parent hydrocarbon to ene. Also, we want to use a number to indicate lower number carbon atoms involved in the bond. The number goes immediately in front of the name of the parent hydrocarbon, separated by using a hyphen. Then we want to number the parent hydrocarbon to give the double bond the lowest possible number. So it's just like what we did when we did cycloalkanes and halo groups. We want to give it the lowest number. It's the same number starting from either end. Start the numbering from the end closest to the first branch point. An easy way to remember the bond endings is by a single bond has ane, a double bond has ene, and a triple bond has ine. So the first letters underlined are in alphabetical order and sound like the long vowel A, E, and I. So in alkenes, there are two things we need to know. There's saturated and there's unsaturated. Alkenes and alkynes are called unsaturated hydrocarbons because they have less hydrogen atoms than equivalent alkanes. Whereas alkanes are said to be saturated hydrocarbons because they contain the maximum number of hydrocarbons possible. We learn about the general formula. It's just the same as what we did with cycloalkanes. CnH2n, cyclopropane. So if we had, let's say, n equals 4, and so we fill it in, the blanks,
and C4 plus H2 bracket plus bracket 4, and so let's fill this in. C4 plus H, 4 times 2 is 8, and so there we go. And we know that is going to equal to, cyclobutane. So let's do another example. So if we had N equals, let's say 9. Excuse me. So we write our formula, Cn plus H2n. We fill it in, so C9 plus H bracket 2 bracket 9, and we keep on filling it in, so C9 plus H, and 2 times 9 is going to be 18, and so we know that this is going to be a cyclo non